Hello there, Robin. What do you have for us, Robin?
Big monster truck.
Wow, it is a giant monster truck.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can I see what it says?
Let's have a help.
Yeah.
There you go.
It says rock crawler 4x4 built to last all weather fun.
It's a
What
big
is it?
scale one.
Yeah.
112 scale.
Yeah, 112.
Let's open it up.
And it's the remote control one.
Yeah.
It says high strength shock, oversized tires. How cool is that, Robin?
Let's open it.
Listen, books.
Let's open it.
Yeah, we're gonna play a game with those boxes. We're gonna knock them all over with your monster truck.
There you go.
Wow, look at that. That is so cool, Robin.
There's red.
What color is your monster truck?
Green.
Green and black. That's super. Can I see the remote control? Can I see how it looks like? That's nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you make it work already? Oh no. Okay. Are you ready to knock some boxes, Robin?
Come, let's try from
Yeah. Robin, are you ready to knock some boxes? They're waiting for you down there. Whoa! Let's go and see what's inside the box now. Let's see. What's the first letter?
What's the first letter, Robin?
A. What do you have inside? A.
What's inside? Wow. What's this, Robin?
A for alligator. Yay!
Already.
Okay, what's the next box?
What's the next one?
B.
Letter B.
B.
Yeah.
What do you have inside B, Robin?
What do we have inside, Robin?
Ball. And a boat. B for ball. B for boat. And what's the next one?
What's the next one, Robin?
D.
C.
C, yeah.
Are you
What's inside
Look at
C,
this,
Robin?
Robin. Wow.
C for car. C for cheetah. And C for crane.
Look at this.
Wow. Do you like these toys, Robin?
Yeah.
Yay.
I'm gonna do this one.
Let's do the next ones. Robin, are we ready to knock D, E, F boxes? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Go.
Go, Robin! Go, go, go! Yay! Let's go see what's inside.
Let's start with letter B.
D.
Yeah, open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Let's see what we have inside D box.
Wow, what's this, Robin?
D for dinosaur.
Oh, another dinosaur.
Another dinosaur.
Oh, it's a
And a dog.
It's
D for
dog.
dog. And D for dinosaur.
it's a T-Rex.
Cool.
Let's do next
E.
one, Robin. Come on,
Time to
Robin.
do E.
I'm gonna
Let's
open it.
see.
Come on, open it. Come on. Whoa. What do we have here, Robin?
Oh, A for elephant. We've got a baby elephant and a mummy elephant, is it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Next one.
And this one, F. I wonder what's inside the box, Robin.
Come on. Wow. What's this, Robin?
What is it?
It's a pink one.
Oh, yeah, F for fan. What is that?
It's a fish.
F for fish. Cool. Go and show me. Wow. Is the fan spinning? Yay! F for fan. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, Robin, are you ready to knock G, H, and I off? Go on. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay!
Nice try. Let's open them.
Should we open? Let's see what's inside G.
Come on, let's open.
Let's see.
Okay, show it to mommy and tell it what.
What is it, Robin?
Giraffe.
Yay! G for giraffe. What comes next? Is it H?
It's a H. Come on, open it. Okay. Oh,
What is
Tell
it?
show it to mommy.
H for helicopter. We've got a baby helicopter and a big helicopter, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Yay! Wow.
That's mommy helicopter.
What else? Do you have something else in there?
Yeah.
That's a horse.
H for horse. Good job, Robin.
This one is empty, Robin.
We can say I is for ice,
Yeah.
right? Okay, let's do the next free alphabet.
Come on.
Hey, so we've got J, K, L waiting for your monster truck, Robin. Go, Robin.
Come on.
Whee! Good job. Let's see. Have to start
This one
with
is
J.
empty. J
Oh,
for
J
jar.
for jar.
It's
Yeah.
empty.
That one's empty. K.
Okay. We have something
We've got
in
something
here,
in there.
Robin, this one first. This one first, Robin.
K first, Robin.
Uh-oh. Okay, L first.
Alright, L first. What do you have?
I
For loader. Yeah, L for loader.
Lion.
And
The lion.
L for lion.
Oh, another lion.
It's another lion. What do you have inside K?
Let's see what's inside.
What is it?
Oh,
Keys. That's our car keys. K is for keys. Alright, let's do the next three. Hey, M N O. Let's go, Robin. Whee! Good job. Which one?
oh, this one
Yeah,
has something.
we've got something in there. I wonder what it is.
This one is empty. This one is empty. Let's open it.
What is
I'm
it?
going to buy.
Oh, M for motorbike. Yay, nice. And we've got
Oh.
N for a notebook and O for orange.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we've got 3 letters waiting for your monster truck, Robin, again. 1, 2, 3, go. Whee! Yay! Well done.
Oh, this one has something, Robin.
What's that one? P.
Robin, can we start with this one? Letter P first.
Letter P. What's inside?
Oh, what is that? What is it? It's
A
a
pig. P for pig. And what's that one?
Oh, there's something here as well.
R.
what's
R
that,
for
It's a
road roller. Wow.
Oh, what's this one?
What's that
There's
one?
something heavy in here.
This one's Q. Wonder what's inside.
Wow, what's this, Robin?
Not heavy.
Oh, they are not
Q for
What bag?
quad bike. Awesome. Okay, what's next, Robin? Let's do the next ones. STUV. Monster truck, are you ready? Go! Yay! Let's open the boxes. There's something inside. Yeah, what is it?
Wow, open it, open it.
Oh, wow, you've got
What do we
a
have?
submarine.
There's a submarine here.
Submarine. S for submarine. And what is that?
Spinners,
Spinners.
lots of spinners.
S for spinners. You're gonna spin one and show me. Yay!
Oh, look at
I like the
the
Iron Man
Man
one. Show me the Iron Man one.
Wow,
Yay!
what about this one?
Good. And the other one? We've got 4 spinners there. Yeah. All right. What's the next box?
Let's go to the next one.
T. Should we find T?
Yeah.
Do you have something
one's
inside?
This one is heavy.
Is it heavy? Let's see what's inside, Robin.
It's heavy.
Woohoo! Uh-oh.
Turtle. T for turtle.
Go to mommy.
T for tiger.
Yeah.
And T for tractor.
Yeah.
I like that tractor.
Chin.
And people turtle. Good. Next one. U. Do you have anything in U? No, it's empty. We can just say U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Yeah. And V. Do you have anything inside V?
Yeah.
V for van. V for van. Good job. And what's the next one?
I think that's it. We have to get the next letters.
Yeah, let's go get the next ones. W, X, Y, and Z. Ready, steady, go, Robin. Yay! Okay. Oh, we've got something inside W. What is it, Robin?
Oh, what's this?
Window.
Windmill. W for windmill. Show me. Yay! Good job. What's the next one? X. There's something in there.
Oh, what's this? Robin?
Wow. X for xylophone. All right. What's the next one?
Why?
Y
There's
for
There's
yo-yo.
nothing in there, Robin. Let's try that.
And Z.
We have something
Yeah,
here.
we've got something in there.
It's big or small.
It's small. Let's open it. What is
What
it?
is it?
Show to Mommy.
Zebra. Z for zebra. All right. Was that fun, Robin?
Yeah.
Let's all the boxes on top. Let's put all the boxes on top of each other,
Yeah.
and we can knock them all over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Here's our alphabet blocks ready for you, Robin. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Nice try! Let's try again. Should we try again? Yeah! I think it's Daddy's turn now. Daddy's turn. Okay, one more time, go on. Okay, is Daddy's turn? Yeah,
With the sour again.
yeah. Do you like your monster truck? Okay, are we ready? Go! Oh, you took a box! Yay! Go! Whee! Go! Okay, Robin, you knock it all over. You are stronger than the monster truck. Go, Robin! Go knock it all over, Robin! 1, 2, 3, go, Robin! Yay! Did you have fun today, Robin?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for showing us your monster truck and your ABC alphabet boxes. Yeah. I'm gonna say thank you for watching.
Come on.
Thank you for watching. See you again soon.